Hey, Ryan from Modular Racks here. We're doing a install on the Chevrolet Colorado. We're doing a track mount roof rack system. Just show you guys a little bit about what we're up to. Customer wanted a very specific width on the crossbars, 36.5 inches between the bars. So he also wanted a strong system and one that didn't clamp on. So we're doing a direct ditch mount. So we've pulled the plastic ditch out and we've measured where we would like to put our ditch it mounts, which are these little guys here. This is what our roof racks will attach to. We've made a little line for our center hole here, and then we're going to use this ditch mount as a template for our 3 drill holes on each mount, and there's going to be 4 of them. And then we will cut the plastic trim, put it back in place, and have this all sorted out. But right now we're going to drill these 4 mount points that we've measured up. Everything is square and ready to go. All right, so we're taking our ditch mount here and our line that we've already marked, and we're going to use this as our template for drilling. I'm not drilling all the way through yet because I want to put a drill stop on here, but for now I'm just going to make my 3 points in the roof where we're going to be drilling through. All right, so now we have 1, 2, 3 points that with our drill stop we'll drill through to mount this permanently. We've got our drill stop on our drill with the right size for our rivets. This is going to make sure we don't go down into the vehicle too far, hit any headliners, wiring, airbags, anything like that. We're using our pilot holes that we already drilled to make sure that we're going to be in the right spot. There we go. First hole done, and we'll do that for all the rest of them. So we finished drilling our holes, and a note for anyone who's doing this on a Chevy. We had this on a Silverado 1500 as well. This steel in the pinch weld is not only thick, but ultra hard compared to any Dodge or, well, Fords are aluminum now that we've worked on. And get yourself a cobalt bit and some drill oil or tap oil and go slow. Otherwise, you will never get these drilled. So we've primed our drill holes and riveted in our brackets, which is where our feet are going to go. So next we're going to trim our ditch plastic or aluminum trim molding to make space for these 2 brackets, as we've done on the other side over here. And then attach the trim piece back in, and then we're going to be mounting our RLT 600 base plates to that, and then next up will be the bars. So there we have it, we're all done. We have our RLT 600 quick release legs on a ditch mount on this Chevrolet Colorado. You can release these legs and take them off by simply taking off the locking cap, which shows up these 2 tabs, which can be moved over, and then the bar can be removed, and there's a little cover plate to go on top of this little pod or base plate. As simple as that, really. And there is the finished product. Thank you.